Do you guys have that one scent that just takes you right back to your childhood? For me, it's the smell of fresh baked datschi, or plum sheet cake. I made a video about datschi 2 years ago, but I've since veganized it. I'll leave a link to the original video below, but fair warning, my video making skills, such as they are, have come a long way and I couldn't bring myself to rewatch the video, so it might be pretty bad. I don't know. If you decide to watch it, let me know. First of all, we're gonna need a lot of plums, or even better, if you get damson. This is the damson tree in our garden, and if you're thinking that the tree is looking pretty beat up, I'd have to agree. It's been a rough year. We had late frosts, pretty intense storms, and a very dry summer. But the tree came through for us, and despite everything, produced some really beautiful fruit. You'll need 2 to 3 pounds of fruit. Further ingredients you'll need are, for the dough, flour, soy milk, sunflower oil, brown sugar, yeast, applesauce, a pinch of salt, and, as topping, sugar and cinnamon. Note to self, refill the salt shaker. What is happening? Now, grab a large bowl, pour flour and sugar into the bowl and use a spoon to create a little well in the middle. Pour the yeast into the well. Add milk and oil and give the yeast 20 minutes to activate. You'll know it worked when you start to smell that yeasty smell and see little bubbles appear. Add a pinch of salt and the applesauce and stir to make a dough. Cover with a kitchen towel and let the dough rest in a warm place for about an hour. Our baby has grown so big. Dust with flour and knead until the dough doesn't stick to the sides of the bowl anymore. Sidebar. Anyone else feel like the eyes on my sweater are looking straight at them? I'm not wearing that again in a video. Now, get out a cookie sheet and cover it with baking paper. Place the dough on the cookie sheet. Now, you could use a rolling pin to spread the dough, but that's just another thing you'll have to wash later, so I usually just pull it into shape with my hands. Now for the exciting part. Cut the damson in half, remove the pit, and place the halves on the dough. You can get creative here with fancy patterns and whatnot, but personally I go for the classic. Rows of upright halves squished close together. And you'll need more than you expect, or at least more than I expected. So I'm filling in the space with pear slices. Get out a bowl and mix a few spoonfuls of sugar with a good helping of cinnamon. Then sprinkle the mix over the top of the fruits. Give it a little shake to make sure the sugar is well distributed, and then put the cake in the oven for 40 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius. Pass the time however you see fit. Gorgeous. Amazing scent. Just allow to cool and cut into slices. This cake goes very well with strong coffee and warm autumn afternoons. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, why not subscribe?